There are dozens, even hundreds of channels available for viewing, but most people watch just a few of their favorites. Your service allows you to create favorites lists within your guide in order to surf selected lists of channels. You can create up to 5 customized favorites lists in addition to several that are preset within your service, such as sports and kids programming. Here's how to create and work with them. When creating a favorites list for the first time, press the Menu button to access the main menu. Scroll down to Settings, then arrow right, and then down to choose Edit Favorites. You will be in a new list. The available channels will appear on the screen. Use the arrow buttons on the remote control or type in the channel number. When you find one that you want to add to your favorite list, press the OK button and a check will be placed marking that channel number as a member of this favorites list. Once channel selections have been made, press the blue button and you will be prompted to rename this list. Using the arrow keys, spell the name of your new list, pressing OK after each letter. When completed, arrow down to Submit and press the OK button on the remote. You will see a display that says your new list name has been saved. Now that you've saved the name, you need to save your favorites list. To do this, press the blue button on the remote control. Then press the OK button. To leave the Favorites menu, press the Exit button. Pressing the green button on the remote will open the Actions list, which allows you to make changes to your selected favorite list. From Actions, you can highlight Discard Changes, Rename List, Save List, Delete List, or Invert List. And by pressing OK or the corresponding colored buttons on your remote, the specified action for the favorites list will occur. When you have your favorites lists created, you can use them to surf channels. Press the Fave button on the remote control. All favorites lists will display, including your service defaults list, like the ones named subscribed channels, movie channels, etc. Any lists that you have created display with a star next to them. Arrow down to choose the list you want to use and press OK on the remote control. When you are surfing in a favorites list, the list name will display above the program information. Once selected, you can now browse just your selected favorites list instead of all your subscribed channels. When viewing the program guide, by pressing the Fave button, you can also select from the favorites list and choose to browse through the guide listing of specific favorites.